Oh my goodness. I promise you, these are gonna be some of the best mushrooms you ever had. Today, we are making Enoki mushrooms. We're gonna roast these, and these might be the best mushrooms you ever had. And these only cost me $1 per package. You might see it for $2, you might see it for $3, but I get a bunch of these at a time, and roasting these is the next level. I've had them in salads and had them in soups, but I promise you, you make this, try it, you are gonna love it. To make this, we're gonna need our Enoki mushrooms, some nutritional yeast, garlic powder, some onion powder, and some salt. You can add other spices, but for now we're using that, and a bit of oil. So I'm gonna start off by washing these. Now you wanna set your oven to 400 degrees Celsius. Okay, I'm just gonna dry some of these. And we are gonna chop off the end here. Oh, we got our baking sheet. Now we are just gonna separate these a bit. And what we wanna do is just avoid overlapping it too much. But you can see the kind of size I'm going for here. If we do too much of an overlap or have too big of pieces, then it's still gonna be delicious, but it doesn't get as crispy. I like when it's crispy on the outside, then it has this amazingly savory gooiness in the inside. And some are more crispy, some are more gooey. Make sure they're not too overlapping. We're gonna go a bit heavy with the oil because we are kind of frying them a bit. You can use less if you want, but it's not gonna be as crispy. Drizzling makes it a bit easier to get more in the right places rather than putting a big blob in. And these mushrooms are absolutely great as a snack, or you can throw it on salads or have it as a side dish, which I did last night when I had guests over for dinner. Whatever you do with it, you're gonna enjoy. Okay, now for spices. So I actually mix all these spices into a separate container. So I have a little spice mixture, but you can do that or you can do it separate. But I like to make spice mixtures and then be able to add those to a bunch of recipes. We are gonna go in with about a teaspoon of garlic powder and trying not to get it all in one spot. Next we have our onion powder. And nutritional yeast. What's that, like a 1/4 cup? That also helps soak up any of the additional water that might be left over. And of course some salt, maybe about a teaspoon in here. And once your oven's hot, we can get that in there. And we're gonna cook that for about 20 minutes until it's nice and crispy. Oh, those are looking pretty delicious. Those could be done now, but I think we can go for a couple more minutes. But yeah, those are looking pretty appetizing. Dun, 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 dun. So some of these are super crispy, and then some have that delicious gooiness. Both is delicious, and it's kind of preference of what you prefer. Like these ones, nice and crispy. And man, my mouth is savoring right now. Savoring? Salivating. Bit of cilantro is a nice garnish, add some green to it. I promise you, these are gonna be some of the best mushrooms you ever had. Oh my goodness. Just the umami richness of it is just like boom. It's absolutely delicious. Great snack, great side dish, great way to add on to like a soup or something, or even throw in a pasta, but that is unreal. Thanks for watching. I have some more mushroom videos if you want to see them. I think I have a pulled pork recipe video without using pork, and it's absolutely delicious, and a bunch more. So I encourage you to check out some more recipes and give them a try. Let me know what you think. If you want to see me make anything in particular, let me know down in the comments. But thanks for watching. Bye.